The elevated walkway near Alexandra Arch was built in 2008 by URA, Urban Development Authority, to link the southern regions parks together. And we are looking at the elevated walkway, where we can see a close-up view of the canopy, where we can get close to the treetops and enjoy observing trees like the tampang. So we can observe the leaves and the ferns on the trees. But what's going to change is that in this area, the Gillman Forest next to this elevated walkway is slated for housing development. That means we will get to see less of the forest canopy and more of the concrete structure, where it is currently far away and unobtrusive. But if the tree tops of Gillman Forest were to be replaced by new housing, high-rise BTO flats, it will definitely mar the view, the scenery, and the sense of being immersed in the forest experience. And that will affect even ecotourism in this part of Singapore. Can you hear the sound of the hill mynahs? It's a native bird in Singapore. So imagine you are a tourist traveling halfway around the globe to Singapore, looking forward to the canopy walk in the southern regions. And you have been to Taman Negara canopy walk, you have been to Marichi Reservoir canopy walk. And as you walk along and enjoy the sound of the hill mynah, like we just heard, and then when you come across this part of the elevated walkway, you suddenly find yourself witnessing the destruction of Gillman Forest next to Gillman Barracks. And the serenity of the forest and the bird songs are drowned by the loud, noisy machines of bulldozers cutting down the trees, like what we see here at Gillman Forest. And we hear the excavator drilling and hear the chainsaws roaring, cutting down trees, scenes of total destruction, when you are actually expecting to see a panoramic view of the green verdant canopy of the forest. Like what we see today, it may not be around for too long. Even the dragonfly is unaware. So it is the kind of future that we want for Singapore, for the tourists and for ourselves and our future generations, and for the wildlife that we coexist in. Meanwhile, let's enjoy the scenery.